Hi everyone, my name is Jan. I'm owner of the BN Window Tinting, small company based in Rugby, Warwickshire. We are specialized for window tinting, car wrapping, graphics, design. Okay, we've got a new unit. We get the keys in the January 27th, 28th. That was empty unit. It was old powder coating place here, so lot of mess, lot of issues, roof leaking, electric issue. We sorted everything out. We do insulation, we fitting the floor is still not completed, as for older place was the smaller, so we lie down all our floor from previous place. Behind me, as you can see, that was the wood floor on the previous videos. That is the stone finish, that is the vinyl. I put the glass board there to do window tinting, peeling board. We've got the signs tables here with the cutting mat where we will do our signs. Then we've got the graphics for the van. For this one, that should be covered today with the full graphic, but we've got the issue. Get the van yesterday afternoon. The customer bring the van, I show him the graphics, and he is not happy. He come back late evening. Yesterday he wanted to see the game. He pop in with his family. Nice fella, professional speaking. No shouting, no arguing, no fighting. Like human to human, we speak very top level of the professionalism. He's not happy as the print went. We explained the customer before we start the production, the colors on the screen will be different to the actual print. He understands that, etc. But he can't take the over it. I explained him some few things, but he is still not happy. So what I have to do, I told him, I won't fitting anything if you are not happy on the beginning, as I don't want to make more loss for myself as is already now. I have to go back to the printing department, but it is the bank holiday this weekend, so they are back in Tuesday. First thing in the morning I go back there and confront them with the questions. Here is the old graphics, that is the Contra-vision. That part will be fit, or should be fit, on the part of the vehicle where is the glass. Rest of it, here is the two windows, two Contra-vision. Rest of it is the graphic vinyl. But why is the color different with the Contra-vision and graphic? Should be grey, that has the green tint. Same printer, same ink. I know it's different media. Contra-vision is different media to the vinyl. It's not laminated as the vinyl is, but when the green and customer is not happy. Whose fault is it? I don't know. Let's find out. So we don't do any jobs today. So not every job is smooth. We work on the design long time. We work on the design over 6 weeks, 7 weeks, back forward, big changes. We did 9 small changes. 2 weeks we spent to find out the right color, and that went wrong. If I will make any profit on it, I'm doubt. If I will make huge loss, I don't know. Stay tuned. I will keep you updated how that things will go, and hopefully we will sort it out the issue and everyone will be happy. So I have to learn from it for the future. Let me know, guys, in the comment how you will deal with these as the business. Peace.